Welcome back, guys. This is the 2-week update, or update number 3 of our new 7-way layered coatings longevity test to find out that if adding multiple additional layers of any of these products is going to make a difference in the longevity of things as far as the hydrophobics are concerned. You've heard me say before that since all of what we used in this test are strong performers, I really don't expect life-changing results early on, but we do need to stick with the traditional wash schedule, which is weekly for the first month and then monthly after that for our data points. So let's foam this hood down using Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it, and then of course rinse things off to inspect the hydrophobic properties. And do stay tuned as I will set the hood up horizontally and we will take a traditional garden hose to it and we will see if that changes anything. So first up, Griot's 1, 2, 3, 5 layers. I'm really not seeing any difference. Nanobond, sort of in the same boat. I'm really not seeing anything, and I wouldn't expect to early on here. Again, we know that these are all strong performers. Meguiar's Hybrid Paint Coating, Avalon King. Meguiar's has been a little bit more hydrophobic than Avalon King, but Avalon King seems to last at least till the year mark, possibly longer. Sonex Ceramic Spray, very hydrophobic, all layers. 1, 2, 3, and 5 layers. Not quite, or it is more hydrophobic than Avalon King. And over here to New Finish Graphene, very hydrophobic. Store-bought product, picked it up at Walmart. And Fuso, crazy hydrophobic. Typically what will happen with that is around the 8-month mark, it will start to show signs of failure as far as the hydrophobics go. So now taking a regular garden hose, low pressure, seeing if we can see any difference here. Griot's, maybe less hydrophobic on the 3 and 5 layers. I don't know, it's really tough to say at this point. Nanobond, Meguiar's, Avalon King. You can see Avalon King is just not quite as hydrophobic as the others, but it will last for a decent amount of time being fairly hydrophobic. So the multiple layers, do we see any difference? 2 weeks. Second wash, third time it's been rinsed. We've had about 3 inches of rain. Was that 7 something centimeters? Not seeing a whole lot of difference right now. So let me know your opinion in the comments. What do you think is going to happen? Do you think that all these extra layers, it's going to be sacrificial? So where maybe the 3 or 5 layers will last longer? Or will it be worse? That's kind of why we're doing this. See if it's worth the extra time and effort to get extra longevity out of it or not. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Very quick update today for you. We'll see you soon.